Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the HAPPRUN 4K UHD Google TV Smart Projector, a versatile projector designed for home theaters, gaming, and outdoor entertainment. This projector delivers stunning 4K UHD visuals with Dolby Sound for immersive audio and crystal clear image quality. Officially licensed with Google TV, it comes with built-in streaming apps, allowing you to access Netflix, YouTube, and more without extra devices. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity makes streaming and audio pairing seamless, while compatibility with game consoles and smartphones adds flexibility for gaming and media playback. Its compact, portable design ensures easy setup indoors or outdoors. Whether you're enjoying movies, gaming, or hosting outdoor movie nights, the HAPPRUN 4K UHD Google TV Smart Projector offers impressive visuals, high-quality sound, and smart streaming convenience. If you're looking for a 4K projector with Google TV, Dolby Audio, and wireless smart features, the HAPPRUN 4K UHD projector is an excellent choice. Click the link below for the best price.
Never you,